Namaskar. Sometimes you must be enjoying a delicious meal, but then slowly your chest starts burning and your acidity is back to trouble you. That uncomfortable tightness, bitter taste in your throat, all these are signs of acidity. Yes, acidity. But what if I told you that just chewing one natural combo, you could dramatically reduce acidity and improve your digestion over time? No pills, no syrup, just an all natural combo with traditional ingredient that you can probably make in less than 30 seconds. So let's see what is actually happening in your gut when you have acidity. When you eat a heavy, oily or spicy meal, or sometimes even just from stress, your stomach produces too much acid, and when this acid travels upwards towards your esophagus, it causes that classic burning sensation, that acidity or acid reflux. But your body has natural tools to regulate this acid. You just need to support it. That's where this post meal chew combo helps your body. The ingredients you need for this mukhwas are 1 teaspoon fennel seed, that is soft, half teaspoon carom seed, that is ajwain, half teaspoon flax seed, that is alsi, 1/4 teaspoon dill seed, that is suwa, half teaspoon cumin seed, that is jeera, half teaspoon rock sugar or mishri. Mix all these ingredients together and then chew half a teaspoon of this mixture after lunch. This blend will help neutralize acidity, improve digestion, and freshen your breath. Now let's understand why it works. Fennel or soft soothes the digestive system, reduces bloating, and aids in breakdown of food. Ajwain has powerful digestive enzyme that relieves acidity and gas. Flax seed provide omega-3 fatty acid and fiber that supports healthy digestion and reduce inflammation. Dill seed, known as suwa, also helps in indigestion and have a cooling effect on stomach. Cumin improves digestion, relieves bloating, and balances stomach acid production. Rock sugar is naturally alkaline, so it neutralizes excess acid. It also balances the slightly bitter taste of ajwain. And the best thing is that this mix doesn't just fix his acidity and slowly heals your digestion from inside out. Just take this mix 15 minutes after your meal. Chew slowly, enjoy it, and then swallow. Make it a habit, especially after spicy food, oily foods, late night dinner, festival or wedding meals. Over time, you will start noticing less burping, more regular bowel movements, lighter, most comfortable post-meal hours. Now, let me tell you something special for those people who have chronic acidity. Add dry ginger powder, that is soot, for extra healing. If you are experiencing chronic acidity or bloating related to stress or hormones, add a pinch of dry ginger powder is a must. Dry ginger is known for reducing inflammation, enhancing metabolism, preventing gas formation. This combo becomes even more powerful digestive aid, and it tastes like a mini mouth freshener too. Remember, the most important thing is to deal with habits. Improve your food habit. Stop overloading your body with processed and oily food. Acidity isn't just about what you eat, it's also about how well your body processes it. So help your body. Try this for just 1 week. Prepare a small jar of this mix. Keep it on your dining table and let your gut feel the difference. Remember, your stomach deserves peace, not fire. Namaskar.